Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2 24th of February 2021 question. Question number 26. If A, B, C are in AP and centroid of the triangle with vertices A, C, A, B, B, 2, B is 10 by 3, 7 by 3 and alpha, beta are the root of the equation ax square plus bx plus 1 is equal to 0, then alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta is equal to 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of quadratic equation and it's a memory based question. At first, given that the A, B, C are in AP and centroid of the triangle with vertices, this is this. So here we get from the equation that is 2b. If A, B, C are in AP, then 2b is equal to A plus C. We write this is equation 1, and the centroid of the triangle of the vertices. So centroid, if the centroid is equal to 2a plus 2 by 3, that is equal to 10 by 3 given, and here we get a is equal to 1. So once again, condition of centroid, c plus 2b by 3 is equal to 7 by 3. So that implies 2b plus c is equal to 7. This is equation 2. So from 1 we get, from 1 2b is equal to 2b minus c is equal to 4, putting the value of a is equal to 4. So here we get 2b minus c. So this is equation 3. Now from 2 and 3, we get b is equal to 11 by 4 and c is equal to 3 by 2 after calculation these two equations. Now the equation become, so the alpha beta the root of the equation this, and then the equal, so the equation, therefore the equation is equal to, we may say, that is 4x square plus 11 by 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies 16x square plus 11x plus 4 is equal to 0, and this equation's root also alpha and beta. So now what we should put, alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. So alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 3 alpha. So that is equal to minus 11 by 16 whole square minus 3 into 1 by 4. So that is equal to 121 by 256 minus 3 by 4. So it is minus 70, it is minus 71 by 256. So I think we reached, it is our required solution, and our option is, option 1 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 26. Now moving to question 26. 25th of February 2021 question. So it is the finishing question of shift to 24th of February. Now this is the first question of 25th of February 2021 shift 2 question. The hyperbola passes through foci of a ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 16 equal to 1 and transverse and conjugate axis of are considered with the major and minor axis of the ellipse. If the product of the eccentricities of the ellipse and hyperbola is 1, then equation of hyperbola is 4 options are given. So this is also a memory based question. So ellipse, from the ellipse, this so eccentricity of the at first ellipse, so eccentricity is equal to u1 is equal to root over 1 minus b square by a square, that is equal to root over 1 minus 16 by 25, that is equal to 3 by 5. Now hyperbola. So eccentricity 2 is equal to transverse and conjugate axis are considered. So hyperbola passes through the foci and of ellipse and transverse and conjugate axis. So hyperbola's eccentricity is equal to 5 by 3 according to the given condition. Now S dash is equal to AE comma 0, we know, plus minus AE, so that is equal to plus minus 3 comma 0. Now hyperbola passing through the foci of the ellipse, so it passes through this point, so the hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 if it is the hyperbola and it passes through this point, so it passes through this point, so therefore 9 by a square is equal to 9 by a square minus of 0 is equal to 1, so that implies a square is equal to 9 here, and therefore b square is equal to, we know, a square into e square minus 1, that is equal to 9 into 25 by 9 minus 1, that is equal to 9 into 16 by 9 is equal to 16. So and the hyperbola the product the eccentricities of the ellipse and the hyperbola is 1, then equation of the hyperbola, therefore the equation of the hyperbola is equal to x square by 9 minus y square by 16 is equal to 1. So I think we reached, it is our required answer, and our option is x square 9 y square by x square minus 9 y square by it option 3 x square by 9 and y square by it is option 2 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 2. Now moving to question 3. If alpha comma beta are the root of the equation x square minus 6x minus 2 and alpha to the power n is equal to alpha n minus beta n, then the value of a10 minus 2a8 divided a9 is equal to what? 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of quadratic equation also, and equation is given here, that is quadratic equation, that is x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. Once again I tell you, this is the memory based question, and this question is from shift 2 to 25th of February 2021. So the given quadratic is x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, if alpha beta is the root of this equation, so we may say alpha plus beta is equal to 6 and alpha beta is equal to minus of 2. Now alpha square minus 6 alpha minus 2 is equal to 0 and beta square minus 6 beta minus 2 is equal to 0. These are the given conditions. Therefore, we should calculate A10 minus 2A8 divide A9. So that is equal to A10 is equal to what? A10 is equal to alpha to the power 10 minus beta to the power 10 minus twice of A10. A8 means alpha to the power 8 minus beta to the power 8 divide alpha to the power 9 minus beta to the power 9. Now we know alpha square is equal to 6 alpha plus 2. So alpha, just for calculation we write down, it is alpha to the power 8 alpha square minus 2 minus, it is beta to the power 8 into beta square minus 2. As I write this ways as because it is, I just simplify this one, and it is alpha to the power 9 minus beta to the power 9. So this become alpha square minus 2 is equal to, we may write 6 alpha, and beta square minus 2 is equal to 6 beta. So here we get 6 of alpha to the power 9 minus 6 of beta to the power 9 divide alpha to the power 9 minus beta to the power 9. So here we get, after calculating, it is 6, and we reached, it is our required answer, and our option is option 2. So option 2 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 2. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.